the main objective we chose this product was because it's 100% eco-friendly. The biggest advantage of using this product is we get to reduce the rate of deforestation. It is because we get to reuse the leftover paper, although it is only a paper scrap. A single tree can make around 8,333 sheets of copy paper. Due to deforestation, animals and plants will lose their habitat, and this will lead them to extinction. This will also upset the food chain and disrupt the ecosystem.
Other than that, there are very little trees that are left. This causes the oxygen amount in our atmosphere to decrease and the amount of carbon dioxide increases, as there's no tree to absorb it. This leads to climate change and global warming, which is faced by Malaysia right now. Other than that, it can decrease the waste amount of papers in landfills, which reduces the air and water pollution. As the technology develops, you might wonder why there are papers that are made out of rocks. So why do we need to do this homemade paper? The answer is yes, you can make paper out of rocks, but you have to spend some money on it. That is, homemade papers are cheaper, useful, and it helps to save the environment. Thank you.
Thanks for supporting us.